Hey guys, welcome to the Flutter series. My name is Jasmine Sojitra, and today's video is going to be the first video of the Flutter series. And in this video, we are going to see the introduction of Flutter. It is a Flutter series. If you want to watch the rest of the video, check out the I button. So first we understand, what is Flutter? According to Wikipedia, Flutter is open source user interface software development kit created by Google. Using Flutter, we can develop Android, iOS, Linux, Mac, Windows, and desktop. We can also develop web applications using Flutter, so we can say that Flutter is a single code-based framework, because here we can run it in multiple platforms by writing a single code. Now, if we talk about its history, then the first time when the Flutter was introduced, its name was Sky, and then rename it to Flutter. The Flutter was first introduced publicly at the same time of Dart Developer Summit in 2000, and if we talk about its official launch date, it is December 4th, 2018, and its first stable version launched at this time. The version was 1.0, and then its second version was launched on December 11th, 2019, which was released as Flutter 1.12. In the 16th of August, 2023, was released Dart SDK version 3.1 and Flutter version 3.13. And within this version, we got the support of Material App, and in addition to improving its performance for iOS devices. Along with this, the option of Material Widget and network tracking was also added to it. So this is the history of Flutter. So it has been only 4 years since it came to all. So we do not get to see that many updates in it. Now, if we're talking about its supported platforms, here it supports Android, iOS, web platforms, Linux, Mac OS, Windows, as well as desktop. You understand that by writing a single code, we can get it run in all these platforms. In Flutter, we are using Dart language. In Flutter, we have Dart Virtual Machine, using which we can make this code run smoothly inside Windows, Mac, and Linux. There are mainly two types of widget. One is the Material Widget, and the other is the Cupertino Widget. So by using Material Widget, we can create the Material App. Material Widget support for Android and iOS, but the Cupertino Widget is used for iOS only now. All the elements we see inside the Flutter application are a widget because there is a blank screen. By arranging all the widgets, we can create an app interface now. If we talk about some facts about Flutter, here it was released on December 2018. Now it's 2021. When I am making this video, then by using Flutter, about 12,000 plus applications have already been developed. And if we talk about total downloads of these applications, then it has gone up to 5 billion. And if you talk about some popular companies, these are Google, BMW, Tencent, Alibaba, Dream11, and eBay. So these are some of the popular companies that are using Flutter in their applications. So if you learn Flutter, then you will get a good growth in your career. Flutter features single code base. In Flutter, we do not have to write multiple programming languages. Just use Dart language, and we can run the same code into multiple platforms. Now the second feature is, everything is a widget in Flutter. Then whatever we see in Flutter, from a button to the text element, everything is a widget. In Flutter, we see many widgets which together form a widget tree, and in Flutter, we get to see the support of pre-built widgets. Means we already get a lot of widgets that we can customize or use them normally ourselves. Now we see some pre-built widgets. Then these are navbar, drawer, tab view, etc. Now if you look at the third feature, it has a Skia graphic engine. So Flutter's graphic engine name was Skia that paints everything on the screen. Now the fourth feature is layout responsiveness. So inside Flutter, responsive layout support is available. That is from mobile to desktop. They are comfortable for every screen. Now the fifth feature comes in one of the important features. So inside the Flutter, we will see the support of hot reload and hot restart. If we are running an app by using hot reload, then if we make some changes in the app again, then it will inject that particular changes saved in the final output. If we talk about the next feature, then it is hot restart. The final app that comes out of the builders loads very fast, so the development time is very low. Now if we talk about the next feature, then it is the minimum file size. So here, the final size of the app we build by using Flutter is very small compared to other frameworks. So this is the sum of the interesting features of Flutter. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more video.